Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today's video is going to be a vlog what's going on in my life lately, so let's catch up. Guys, we're supposed to watch this vlog on Tuesday, but I'm a little late. So this is pretty much my long weekend, Memorial Day weekend vlogs. So here it is. The first thing we did was take the kids to this enchanted fairy tale photo shoot. You guys, this was the cutest thing ever. I will leave the link down below because if you have kids, you need to do this. They have pretty much everything you need. All the outfits are there for you. Everything is provided. And I think they're doing this in different states. It's like a pop-up. You guys, I have been doing a lot of self-care and I found the perfect place and it's called True Glow Spa. And honestly, it's like one-stop shop. They have everything you need, girlfriend, here. From brown lamination to IB infusions, you name it. But I am here to see Leo. I'm just giving you a little tour. She actually is a wellness coach and I'm working with her to achieve my fitness goals using a machine. Wait until I show you this, you guys. So I had my consultation with Leo. I talked about my concerns, the areas that I wanted to target, and also how much weight I wanted to lose. It's more like a maintenance, but I still have like 5 pounds to lose. And here's the room. Look how cute. Those are the TruFlex machines. So in case you're like, Katie, what the heck is this machine? Okay, this is called TruFlex, and what it is, you guys, is a muscle sculpting treatment. You heard that right, muscle sculpting. So the TruFlex machine has a technology that is clinically proven to increase an average of 30% of your muscle mass. So it's gonna tone and strengthen your muscles and of course firm those muscles. So I'm loving this. One of my favorite parts about this treatment is how quick it is. It only takes 15 minutes per section. I'm a mom of two, and you already know I can be gone for an hour. So I love the fact that this is done in only 15 minutes. And in those 15 minutes, you do 54,000 crunches. Nobody could do that. Can you imagine? This is incredible. I have to say it's not uncomfortable. It doesn't hurt. It just tickles. I feel like a little tickling. And you do feel a little soreness the next day, which is like if you went to the gym, it's normal, which is amazing. That means you're seeing results soon, right? I was done with my TruFlex section. Of course, I have to get the goodies. I got a low dose of GLP-1 medication along with some vitamins to keep inflammation away. You know that I am the worst blogger out there, so I totally forgot to blog Saturday. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I took that day to go shopping. I went to the mall with my sister-in-law, and on this particular day, I decided to just go to Ross real quick. And here I needed to focus because I was looking for bathroom stuff to give my bathroom a little refresh for the fall season. So pretty much I found everything. I found some picks that I needed, a cute little vase, and these really pretty affordable rugs were coming home with me. They have so many cute ones, by the way, you guys. If you need bathroom rugs, head to Ross. My bathroom was nice and clean, so here's how it looked before. It was just ready, waiting for me to bring on the fall decor in here. We're not gonna go crazy, you guys. We're gonna keep it simple. I am reusing this tree that I used last year. Remember, I got it on Amazon. I will link it down below again this year. And I love this tree. I love that it has like little lights. So when I do a bubble bath here now, I'm just gonna feel, oh my God, it is fall in Florida. I miss fall in New York. That's one of the things that I miss a lot, seeing the leaves change and the trees and all of that good stuff. Oh my God, I almost hit the light over there. I think I hit the light. I am loving the pop of color already. Look at that. It looks so pretty in there, in that little corner there. So the top area, I'm not gonna put anything on the tray, no flowers, no candles, no nothing, because this is the top that I use to take Kayla a bath, and you already know she's hands full, so we're not gonna put nothing in that area. But for the counter here, we're just gonna put this little wood tray that I already have from previous years. This new little base that I got at Ross for only $12.99. My little candles, some pumpkins. I'm gonna go ahead and put those pics that I got from Ross as well. You guys, this little bathroom fall refresh was like less than $50. I want to say like around $45 to be exact. What do you think of the changes? Let me know down in the comments. I feel like little changes like this make such a big impact. Like I said in my previous videos, always shop your home, work with what you have, and add little things. You don't have to spend a bunch of money every season. Okay, you guys, one of my favorite investments I want to say that I did lately was a towel warmer. You need one. I'm going to link it because trust me, you need one. And just like that, the bathroom is now ready for fall. Loving it. You guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you all on the next one. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not part of the family.